Good morning and welcome everyone. On behalf of the staff and faculty of Silver Lake Christian Academy, it is my absolute joy to welcome you to our Pre-K-4 graduation ceremony. Today is a special day, a celebration of growth, discovery, and God's grace in the lives of these incredible young children. This year, our students have learned so much, not just their ABCs and 1, 2, 3s, but how to share, be kind, pray together, and explore the world with curiosity and courage. To our wonderful parents, families, and caregivers, thank you for partnering with us. Your love, support, and prayers have helped shape these children into who they are today. To our dedicated teachers and staff, thank you for pouring your hearts into every lesson, hug, and encouraging word. And most of all, to our Pre-K-4 graduates, you did it. You've grown in wisdom, in joy, and spirit. As you move on to kindergarten, remember that you are smart, strong, and deeply loved by us and by God. Let's celebrate this moment and all the beautiful things yet to come. Congratulations, Silver Lake Christian Academy Pre-K-4 class.